Hello, Be Together family. Welcome to our on fourth video on basics of Excel. So in today's video, we have one guest whose name is Jess, and she has one doubt. And according to her doubt, we are going to cover our today's topic that is related to the formula bar. So let's ask from Jess what she want to ask from us related to the formula bar. So Jess told us how to unhide the hidden formula bar. Oh shit, you can't see the formula bar right now. You can't see that formula tab right now. So how we are going to get this formula bar back in the Excel sheet? I know it, and I have a magic. You just need a Harry Potter wand, and through that wand you have to speak. What you have to speak, guys? Yeah, that's exactly what you have to speak. You have to speak Wingardium Leviosa, and after that you can see the formula bar here. I'm just kidding. We are going to cover all those steps through which we are going to get this formula bar. So, okay, sorry for the magic. Now we are going to see all the steps through which we are going to get this formula bar again in an Excel sheet. So the first step is, like we all know, that where is File tab. So we have to first go on the File tab. After clicking the File tab, you can see the lots of options here, and in these lot of options we can also see one tab whose name is Options. We have to select that tab, Option tab. When we select this Option tab, you will get this types of box where you can see lots of options, Excel options. Now I'm going to select the advanced option in this box. Now you can see that we get lots of advanced options here, and we will scroll for the option of display. Now I can see that display option here, and in this display option we will find show formula bar. You can see that right now the show formula bar is unchecked. That's why we can't see the formula bar in Excel sheet. Now I'm going to check this option of show formula bar, and now I'm going to click this OK option. Now you can see our formula bar is back, and we can work on this formula bar again. I think so. We have cleared the doubt of Jess and many others. So Jess, then will you say something on behalf of us? Just want to say, like us, subscribe us, and of course share us if you really like our content. And you can also follow us on our Instagram page, that is this, and you can also ping us on our email address, that is betogether627@gmail.com. So if you have any query, if you have any problem, you can ask in our comment box, you can ask in our Instagram, you can ask in our email address. So that's for all.